Hey everyone! In today's video, I am sharing several styling ideas using some antiques and thrift finds I have collected over the last several weeks. We are focusing on small, cozy spaces in this video. Think entryways, hallways, cozy corners, and shelves. We are finally going to style the antique cabinet that I refinished. I am sprinkling in a few late summer to early fall decorating in all of these spaces, and we will chat about my thoughts on fall decorating in my home this year. Let's go ahead and get started. First, I thought we'd spend just a little bit of time out in the garden. I collected some blooms to make a fall-inspired bouquet. I selected some flowers that had a bit of orange, red, and yellow. This was the perfect blend of fall and summer. I decided to style the bouquet next to my sink for just a little bit of color. Next, we are going to move into my small entryway that leads out to our garage and backyard. We also keep our large family calendar in this space. Here is a quick peek of how it looked for summer, and I don't know about you all, but I am having a hard time letting go of summer this year. Last week's video was all about the joys of summer, and there is still so much summer left to enjoy. I decided that I am going to transition my home just a bit at a time for fall this year. One thing that is important to me when I decorate my home is that it reflects what is happening out in nature, and all of those clips at the beginning were some of the areas around my neighborhood, and as you can see, it is still very green out there. I decided to incorporate a bunch of these fig stems, which I absolutely love, to help give that feeling of green in my home like it is outside, and then I am weaving in just a subtle fall stem here to bring in some color, but nothing too bright. In my home, I really love to enjoy the seasons as they come and not hurry them along too much. Every season has something special to offer, and while I am excited for cozy season, I am just not ready to jump in completely yet. I want to take time to enjoy what's left of the blooms in my garden, the warm summer sunshine, and the laid-back schedule. There are, of course, no rules to decorating your home, so if you are ready for fall, well then jump right in. But for me, I'm just going to ease in slowly this year. This is also the reason why I decided to start with the small, cozy spaces in my home. It offers the opportunity for me to slowly transition my home from summer to fall. Next, we are headed into the main entryway of my home. I have a large antique dresser in here that I refinished a while ago. I want to style a new vintage print that I picked up at a live Instagram sale, and I think that it is the perfect transition from summer to early fall. But first, I thought we would add some of those same fig stems that I used in the other entryway to help the main level of our home feel cohesive. I like to make subtle changes in my home and reuse many pieces. I don't always completely overhaul a space for the season, and I honestly don't think that you need to. That's why you see me reuse pieces and restyle them in different ways. Here is that vintage print with these charming peaches, and I think the muted colors in this are just lovely for this time of year. I am reusing the same book that I had here along with some DIY antique books, and I added a simple dried limelight hydrangea from my dear friend's garden under a glass cloche. Just in case you missed it, I did share my process for how I created these antique inspired cards using Canva in a previous video, and I will link it here for you. I obviously love antique dressers. I have another one in my kitchen. I'm making just a few small changes here, removing my strawberry mugs and then rearranging the pictures on my antique bottle rack. This is one of my all-time favorite finds. I picked up this beauty on Marketplace for an insane price. They can go for hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and I picked up mine for just $85. I am also going to restyle my large glass cloche here. I get questions about this cloche all of the time, and it has been unavailable on Amazon forever, but I will definitely share it if it becomes available again. I think dried florals are perfect styling pieces for fall, and I am using some white florals in this antique pot. The dried look gives the feeling of fall without being too much. I also picked out some dried nuts and seed pods from a bowl filler that I had and added those as well. I chose these muted green florals for the basket to keep with the green, but the muted tone is perfect for this transitional period. I picked up these plates at the thrift store a while ago and tucked them away for fall. I love pieces that can be used across many seasons, and these would also be beautiful at Christmas. I am adding them to my thrifted plate rack. I paid just $3 for this rack and gave it a new coat of paint, and it is perfect in my kitchen. I showed you all a sneak peek of this cabinet a few videos ago, and I finally finished sanding it and painting it. This piece is very old, and I picked it up on Marketplace, I believe, for $60. It's solid wood, a truly beautiful piece, but it needed to be cleaned up, and it also needed a new coat of paint. These vintage linens are also a Marketplace find. I bought a huge lot of them, probably close to 40 or 50 or more of them. I gave them all a good wash, and they are just beautiful, full of character. Now, I love lace, embroidery, and crocheted linens. There is such beauty and charm in these, and I tuck them in cabinets and little spaces all around my home. I am filling this antique bowl with some and then adding these picture frames. Just something a little bit different for styling a bowl like this. I was thinking ahead to fall a little bit when I pulled out these red plates. I wanted to use them as just a little bit of a backdrop on the cabinet. This print is one of my absolute favorites. I found it at Goodwill for $2 several months ago, and the colors are perfect for fall, although I keep it styled in my home year round. When styling shelves, I like to add different textures and objects in varying heights. Shelf styling is very personal. Some people like more, other people like less, so definitely lean into what feels right to you. These little glass jars I had down on my fireplace, but I decided that they would be perfect up here in the cabinet. They are styled with some dried florals right now, but these are such great little pieces to have because you can easily change out what's on the inside for all of the different seasons. On the top of the cabinet, I had a thrifted basket that I repainted, and then I added these beautiful white florals. These florals are just a nice neutral piece. I will likely bring in some fall stems later, but for now, these look so fresh and airy in the space. I love how this little cozy space turned out. I have been searching for a piece of furniture to fit in this space for quite some time now. It adds some storage and also some coziness to this upstairs hallway. I have some more plans for this space, so make sure to stay tuned. I had a few items I wanted to add to the shelf that I have in my office. One of the collections that I have in my home are antique craft supplies like paintbrushes, sewing items, and vintage fabrics. I had a few new pieces from an Instagram live and I thought that they would be perfect in my office. If you are someone who enjoys crafting, try displaying a few of your supplies in your workspace. They look so pretty and create that cozy, charming feeling. Let me know in the comments if you have any collections in your home. I decided to bring in just a few dried limelight hydrangeas. My friend did just send me this picture and they are beginning to turn that beautiful pink color, so I thought I would go ahead and pull out my dried florals from last year. I keep my florals in plastic bins and some of these I have had for 3 years now, so you can definitely get a couple seasons out of them. Since there is still lots of green outside, I did pull in some dried eucalyptus as well. A few videos ago, I shared this little space in our bedroom. We have a small hallway that leads from our bedroom into our primary bathroom. I wanted this space to feel cozier, so I added this thrifted shelf. To make a few changes to start transitioning to fall, I am just going to change out the florals in the basket to ones that have more of a dried look to them, and then I added these sweet little brooms. For now, I am leaving the muted green fern, but I will likely swap that out when it gets a little bit closer to fall. In this week's Cozy Chats, we are keeping things simple. I wanted to share an inspiring quote with you. I always encourage you to take a little time to slow down, enjoy the simple things in life, and find joy in the small moments. In next week's video, I will be sharing more ideas for how to make those subtle changes in your home to transition from summer into early fall. I have a few favorite fall finds to share as well. Just in case you missed the announcement, I did have to make a small change to my upload schedule and move from Wednesdays to Fridays to ensure I had time for my daughter's homeschool lessons that will be starting in the next couple of weeks. Thank you all for understanding and supporting my channel. As always, I hope that you got some inspiration for your home from this video. If you love thrifting, easy DIY projects, and affordable decorating tips, I hope that you will subscribe and join me here every Friday. Thank you all for being here, and I will see you next week.